Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make these makeup remover pads. They are very fast, easy to do, and with a very little expense you will have a beautiful and useful last minute gift. The list of material I used can be found in the description box below. So let's get started. We start with a magic ring. We are going to make 6 puff stitches inside the ring. Keep this loop a little bit loose so it will be easier to close. So how we do the puff stitch, we yarn over, we insert our hook inside the magic ring, we pull up a loop, yarn over, second time, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, third time, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and we close all these loops together. Yarn over again and chain 1. This is our first puff stitch. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over second time, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over third time, insert, pull up a loop, and then yarn over again, and we close all these loops together and yarn over again and make a chain. We are going to make 6 puff stitches inside the magic ring. I have my 6 puff stitches. Now we are going to close the magic ring. And we're going to slip stitch in the chain that we made in the first puff stitch. Like so. Now keep this loop a little bit loose. We are going to put 2 puff stitches between the space of the previous stitches we made. So, but we start our first puff stitch from the first behind. So in this space here, we are going to make our first puff stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now yarn over again and we close all these loops. Yarn over again, chain 1. Here we have our first. In the next space we are going to make 2 puff stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over again, we close all these loops together and yarn over again, chain 1. We're going to make one more in the same. 1, 2, and 3. We close, we chain 1. We are going to repeat this pattern all this round, and here where we have only 1, we are going to finish with 1 more puff stitch. I will finish this round and I will meet you there. I almost finished my round. I need one more puff stitch. I'm gonna make it here where we made the first puff stitch. So now we're going to slip stitch in the chain of the first puff stitch, just right here. And we finish our second round. For the third round, we are going to alternate one puff stitch, two puff stitches, one puff stitch, two puff stitches. This is the pattern that we're going to use for the third row. We start like we did before in the space behind, the first space available behind. Keep this loop a little bit loose, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over again. We close all these loops, yarn over again, chain one. This is our first. In the second space, we're going to make two puff stitches. So yarn over, one, two, three. We close, chain one. Again, one, two, three. We close, chain one. In the next space, we're going to make one puff stitch. So one, two, three. We close, chain one. And in the next space, we're going to make two. So we are going to repeat this pattern for this third round. I will finish my third round and I will meet you there. I'm almost finished my round. So here we slip stitch in the first chain. And that's what we have. Now we cut the yarn. We make a simple knot. And we're going to weave the end. I weaved the end, and that's how makeup remover pad looks like. I hope you like this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.